and in today's product review, I am going to check out the A.L.E. Reed Balancer. So this is the A.L.E. Reed Balancer. I'm really excited to open it up and see how it works. Oh, look at this adorable thing. So what I like about this already is it's very small. It's got a keychain, so I can have this in my clarinet case. I could have it as a keychain for my car keys. And we even have this little guy right here. So what I can do with this wire is once I open that up, I can go ahead and slip this as part of the key ring. That way I don't have to worry about losing it. All right, I'm pulling out the reed. Wow, look at that. Oh, and it even has my name on it. That's beautiful. So you can get it engraved. I'm very excited about this because I bet I can make it through airport security without any problems, which is why I stopped carrying around expensive reed knives. I was losing them a lot. I would just leave them in my case and I would forget to take them out because I use them all of the time. So this would have been something that really would have saved me a lot of grief when I was traveling a lot. What I'm going to do when I work on reeds is I go ahead and I play the reed a couple of times. Sort of to feel where it is. And then I'm just going to hold it up to the light so I can see if there's any unbalanced areas. So I already see that it is a little unbalanced over here. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on my mouthpiece, and I'm going to work on it directly on the mouthpiece. I actually do this because I'm kind of lazy, but you can go ahead and put it on a piece of glass. You can put it on a table. There's lots of ways you can work on the reed. When I work on reeds, I'm just going to swing around a little bit here, and I'm just going to take a little bit off the side. It's already working so nicely. It's very smooth. To me, it feels like it's barely taking any cane off. It's very easy to use. What I do like about it compared to a reed knife is it's so small. Let's see how it feels now. Another way that you can use the A.L.E. Reed Balancer is directly on the back of the reed. So it's designed to scrape right down the back of the reed like that to balance the back of your reed too. It's very, very easy to use. So I just hold it at a 45-degree angle and I just go down the back. You can see a little bit of the cane is shaving off. You can see a little bit of cane right there, and it'll balance your reed that way also. In conclusion, I really like the A.L.E. Reed Balancer, especially because it's easy for students to use. You can work on your reeds with this and learn how to work on your reeds with it because that takes time, and just take little bits off at a time. You can also use it on the back of the reed to balance it that way, which is easier to do than figuring out how to balance it on the front. So in the beginning, when you're learning how to work on reeds, this works really, really nicely. It's so little and small. It is not a blade, so it's also safer to use that way, which gives me confidence as a teacher that I can give it to some of my students. And it won't get confiscated in an airport. It fits very nicely in this pouch, which is adorable. It has this little clip here for your keychain. I actually put it on the side of my clarinet case or in that front pocket of the clarinet case. It will work with bassoon reeds, oboe reeds, saxophone reeds, and clarinet reeds, so it's very versatile. And it is not very expensive at all, especially when you compare it to some of the reed knives out there in the market. Thank you, A.L.E. Reed Balancer, for sending me this to try. I really, really like it. I highly recommend it for teachers and students, and I look forward to using it on my own reeds for many years to come. I'll put the link in the comments so you can check it out yourself. Bye. Thanks, Kiki, for visiting us during the video and talking to us. You're a good girl. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.